starts with the design, and when you walk in, it's clean. You got well lit. You've got attendants there that are willing to help people ask questions. As we get more sophisticated in terms of card operated systems or credit card systems or app pay solutions or all the different ways and mechanisms of paying other than just the old fashioned quarter, having a good attendant there that cares and they're taking care of things. One of the things we mentioned previously was a laundry care solution where you've got books for kids to read, you have internet cafes, you've got other options to be able to augment your laundromat. But ultimately, it really just comes down to having a really nice, clean, well-lit laundry that you've got larger machines that people want to use. They can get in and out really quickly. You know, the whole industry has been seeing a trend over the last few years about large machines, be able to load them up, get a couple loads done, get them in the dryer, get out of there in an hour or less, and really, get in and out. So facility is important, but also having the right equipment to be able to get the guys, people, gals in and out, down the road, and off to other things in their day. I'm a big proponent of having great attendants on site. They make such a huge difference. They start connecting with the community. They know what's going on. They see their regulars come in. They feel comfortable that this is their location, their space, that that's their home, right? Is where they come every week and they see familiar faces. That's part of their social event. And it really does help insulate from someone maybe opening up across the street from you and offering it cheaper. Well, I like, Joe or whoever at the laundromat, that's my guy. I go in and see him every week, and he's always helpful and helps me with stuff and takes my loads in and out. So it does create that connection that, again, it's just not just a service, but it's make you a bigger belonging to it. So the really good operators have that connection with their customers, and they have typically, the best producing laundromats around.